Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can group the tabs in the Safari web browser on your Apple device. So in the first step, click on the tab icon, and now I consider a group tab. So we can add any tabs here, and if you want to change it or add the new group type, click on this little three line button and choose the plus new empty tab group. Now just name it, and that's it. You can also create a group tab from the already visited websites. And that's it. We have a new group tab. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.